In this video, we've zoomed in on our simulation to see just one of the trillions of cells in the human body. We're going to play the simulation at half speed so that you can see the chemical reactions take place. As you make your observations, notice what molecules are present. Use the key below to identify the molecules. Notice what molecules enter the chemical reaction, what molecules leave. Also, look for any evidence that energy is being released. Feel free to pause and repeat the video as much as you need.